Hi everyone! Welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ. Today, we're going to learn restaurant and food ordering English.
That's right. Whether you're at a cafe, fast food place, or fancy restaurant, these phrases will help you order food confidently and sound natural.
We'll also do shadowing practice, so you can repeat after us and improve your speaking skills. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Greeting the waiter or waitress.
Hello. Table for 1, 2, please.
Repeat after us. Hello. Table for 1, 2, please.
Good evening. Do you have a table available?
Now you. Good evening. Do you have a table available? Tip. Always start with a polite greeting. Smile and the waiter will notice. 2. Asking for the menu.
Could I see the menu, please?
Repeat. Could I see the menu, please?
Do you have a menu in English?
Now you. Do you have a menu in English? Tip. Asking politely shows good manners and helps you understand the options.
3. Ordering food. I would like a cheeseburger and fries, please.
Repeat. I would like a cheeseburger and fries, please.
Can I have the chicken salad without dressing, please?
Now you. Can I have the chicken salad without dressing, please? Tip. Use I would like or can I have. These are polite and common phrases in restaurants. 4. Asking about recommendations.
What do you recommend?
Repeat. What do you recommend?
Which dish is most popular here?
Now you. Which dish is most popular here? Tip. Asking for recommendations is a great way to start a conversation and try something new. 5. Asking about ingredients or allergies.
Does this dish contain nuts?
Repeat. Does this dish contain nuts?
Does this dish contain nuts?
Now you. Is this gluten-free? Tip. It's important to ask politely if you have allergies or dietary restrictions. 6. Ordering drinks.
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Repeat. I'd like a glass of water, please.
Can I have a coffee with milk?
Now you. Can I have a coffee with milk? Tip. Use I'd like for drinks too. It sounds polite and natural. 7. Asking for the bill.
Could I have the bill, please?
Repeat. Could I have the bill, please?
Can we pay separately?
Now you. Can we pay separately? Tip. Always end politely when leaving. Say thank you and have a nice day. Shadowing practice tip. For all the phrases, repeat 2 to 3 times aloud. Speak slowly and clearly, just like you're in a real restaurant.
Pretend the waiter is in front of you. This helps your mouth, ears, and brain learn natural speaking patterns.
Even 5 to 10 minutes daily of shadowing will help you order food confidently and speak English naturally in restaurants.
Up next, in Part 2, we'll learn more advanced phrases, asking about ingredients, expressing preferences, and making polite requests, along with full shadowing practice.
So stay tuned. Your restaurant English is going to get much stronger and more natural. That means you'll listen, repeat, and speak with us to sound natural and confident in any restaurant situation.
That's right. Shadowing helps you train your mouth, ears, and memory together. So repeat each sentence with us. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on rhythm, tone, and clarity.
Okay, let's start. First, we'll review expressing preferences. Ready?
I prefer my steak medium rare, please.
Repeat after me. I prefer my steak medium rare, please.
Could I have the salad without onions?
Now you. Could I have the salad without onions? Excellent. Notice how calm and polite those phrases sound. Next, let's move to making special requests.
Can you make this dish a little less spicy?
Repeat. Can you make this dish a little less spicy?
Could I have extra sauce on the side?
Now you. Could I have extra sauce on the side? Great job. Always use a soft tone. That makes your request polite and pleasant. Now let's practice asking for recommendations.
Which dish would you recommend for someone who likes spicy food?
Repeat. Which dish would you recommend for someone who likes spicy food?
What's the chef's special today?
Now you. What's the chef's special today? Fantastic. You sound like a confident English speaker already. Let's move on to complaining politely.
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake in my order.
Repeat. Excuse me, I think there is a mistake in my order.
I'm sorry, but my soup is cold. Could you please heat it?
Now you. I'm sorry, but my soup is cold. Could you please heat it? Perfect. Remember, being polite and calm makes communication smoother. Next, let's try asking about ingredients and allergies.
Does this dish contain dairy or eggs?
Repeat. Does this dish contain dairy or eggs?
Is this dish suitable for vegetarians?
Now you. Is this dish suitable for vegetarians? Excellent pronunciation. Always be polite when asking. It shows good manners. Finally, let's practice ordering drinks and desserts.
I'd like a cappuccino with skim milk, please.
Repeat. I'd like a cappuccino with skim milk, please.
Can I have a chocolate cake for dessert?
Now you. Can I have a chocolate cake for dessert? Great job. You sound polite and confident, perfect for real restaurant situations. Keep repeating these phrases every day. Shadow with us again tomorrow, because repetition builds fluency.
Yes, don't just memorize. Feel the rhythm of English. Speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence.
You're doing amazing. Your restaurant English is getting more natural, polite, and fluent every single day. Hi there. Is it okay if we sit by the window?
Hi there. Is it okay if we sit by the window?
Hello. We'd like a quiet table, please.
Now you. Hello. We'd like a quiet table, please. Hi. May I get a menu, please?
May I get a menu, please?
Could you please bring one more menu for my friend?
Could you please bring one more menu for my friend? I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Could I try this seafood pasta? It looks delicious.
Now you. Could I try this seafood pasta? It looks delicious. What would you suggest for someone who loves spicy food?
What would you suggest for someone who loves spicy food?
Which dish do most people order here?
Now you. Which dish do most people order here? Does this have any peanuts or dairy?
Does this have any peanuts or dairy?
Is there a vegetarian option for this meal?
Now you. Is there a vegetarian option for this meal? I'd like my coffee with oat milk, please.
Repeat. I'd like my coffee with oat milk, please.
Can you make it without sugar?
Now you. Can you make it without sugar?
Please make sure the soup is hot.
Repeat. Please make sure the soup is hot.
Could I have some lemon on the side?
Now you. Could I have some lemon on the side? Sorry, I think this isn't what I ordered.
Repeat. Sorry, I think this isn't what I ordered.
Excuse me, my drink is a bit too sweet. Could you make it less sugary?
Now you. Excuse me, my drink is a bit too sweet. Could you make it less sugary? I'd love a glass of fresh orange juice, please.
Repeat. I'd love a glass of fresh orange juice, please.
Could I see the dessert menu, please?
Now you. Could I see the dessert menu, please? I'll take the cheesecake. It looks amazing.
Repeat. I'll take the cheesecake. It looks amazing.
When you have a moment, could we get the check, please?
Repeat. When you have a moment, could we get the check, please?
Do you take credit cards or only cash?
Now you. Do you take credit cards or only cash? Everything was wonderful. Thank you so much.
Smiling and cheerful. Everything was wonderful. Thank you so much.
The food was great. We'll definitely come again.
Now you. The food was great. We'll definitely come again. Always remember, polite words make every dining experience better. Thank you, Have a nice day.
Repeat. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Tip: always finish your meal politely. Smile, thank the waiter, and leave a kind impression. Those small words, thank you and have a nice day, really make a difference.
Exactly. A simple smile and polite words show confidence in good manners. They make every conversation smoother, even in a restaurant.
Now, let's practice shadowing. Remember to repeat each phrase 2 or 3 times. Don't rush. Speak clearly like you're really talking to a waiter.
Imagine you're sitting at a cozy restaurant, looking at the menu and placing your order. Feel it, hear it, speak it. That's how English becomes natural.
Even 5 minutes a day makes a huge difference. Just a few phrases daily will help you sound confident, relaxed, and polite in any restaurant situation.
That's it for today's full shadowing session. Keep repeating these phrases until they roll off your tongue naturally.
Thank you so much for joining us on English Podcast with FTJ. You did an amazing job today.
Keep practicing and never stop improving. Each time you repeat, you're one step closer to sounding fluent and confident.
See you in the next episode. We'll explore more fun, everyday English phrases that you can use anywhere.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and enjoy every moment of your English journey.
Remember, practice a little every day. Soon, ordering food and chatting in English will feel simple and natural.
You're doing great. Be patient, keep going, and most importantly, enjoy the process.
And that's a wrap for today's episode. Dysdexio! Optional extra lines. Or try these phrases with a friend, act out a restaurant scene together.
Or, next time you eat out, use just one English sentence. You'll be surprised how good it feels.
Or shadow this episode daily for a week. Your pronunciation will get smoother and more natural.
Thanks again for joining us on English Podcast with FTJ. Until next time, stay confident, stay curious, and keep speaking English every day.
See you soon, everyone. Keep shining and keep learning.